Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Mervin Naswin Pratama and I'm from 12D. On this occasion, I will read a text entitled Climate Change Accelerates Nation Urge to Act Swiftly. Good morning. In our top story morning, the effects of climate change are becoming more visible and more severe around the globe, with scientists warning that urgent action is needed to avoid irreversible damage to our planet. According to a new report released by the United Nations this week, the year 2025 is on track to be the hottest year ever recorded, surpassing previous records set just last year. Global temperatures has already risen by more than 1.5 degrees Celsius compared to pre-industrial levels, causing extreme weather events to increase in both frequency and intensity. From devastating wildfires in Canada and Greece to catastrophic floods in India and Brazil, millions of people have been displaced from their homes. These disasters are not only costing lives, but also billions of dollars in economic damage. Climate scientist Dr. Maria Nguyen from the Global Climate Research Institute say the signs are clear. We are no longer talking about future threats. Climate change is happening now, and we are seeing its impact every single day. Unless major carbon emitting countries reduce their emissions drastically, we will face even more severe consequences. In response to growing concern, world leaders are preparing for the Global Climate Summit set to take place in Geneva next month. The summit will focus on strengthening commitment to renewable energy, reducing fossil fuel dependency, and providing financial aid to developing countries affected by climate-related disasters. However, critics argue that previous promises have not been met and that time is running out. As the planet continues to heat up, the question remains, will world leaders act fast enough to make a real difference, or will future generations inherit a planet pushed to the brink? This has been your news update. Stay with us for more stories coming up next.